So day 4 of the meetup for some of us. Some of us are going to France today, and others are doing summits here. But all in all, it's been a good day, and we'll see what happens. I'm going to France, and check that off my list. So yeah, looking forward to that. The second time at the European Ham Radio Show meetup. What's the experience like?
Yeah, it's great. It's great meeting people and meeting fellow hams, talking about your experiences, and also getting to know kind of different cultural differences. Yeah, it's great, and looking forward to doing some 6 for POTA this morning.
Oh, this is going to be great. Just doing a 5-park rove without moving.
Yeah, kind of the rove word probably isn't right then, is it? Yeah, it's a non-rove rove, but I've never had a rove before in POTA, so it'll be a certificate waiting for me when I upload that log.
Excellent. We're all looking forward to it. Thank you, Steve.
Thank you, 7-3.
And actually, I do think that we're going to take a look at what Tobias is doing there, because this is like the rally drivers having their names on the side of the car. Now, Tobias has marked Bob's car, so it's not the LB5JJ mobile anymore. It's the Labcat mobile.
Yeah. Yep. Much easier to buy a magnet sign than to buy a car.
Excellent. I need one of those signs, I think.
The Labcat sign?
So who's on 15? Who want to do 15 with me? So Jürgen brought the radiality something vertical. So I have no idea what it is, but it's been a hit among the YouTubers. So, well, I can't be any worse. The radiality HF010 seems to have pretty much everything you need here, coax radials, whatever. Let's try to do this without the manual first and see how this works. It even has a measuring tape. Okay, we have, let's see, we have a whip, we have a ground spike, feed point, I do actually think I'm going to need this. I'm going to need this. Let's see if there's an illustration here about how it's supposed to go together.
So you're on 15?
Hopefully, once I figure this antenna out, okay, because...
We're just...
Okay.
Setting out to be a promotional video for that antenna.
Radiality? Why? Just why?
Did you not get all the parts?
I have no idea, but it doesn't fit. The ground spike doesn't.
Isn't it always better to have more than less?
Yeah, but honestly, no, wait. Is it supposed to be like? Which way are things threaded? Yeah, okay. This is backwards.
It's links.
Yeah, because, yeah. So where it's usually the threads on the bottom part. The threads are on the top part on this one. I mean, that's completely logical. Seriously? And we have a measuring tape so we can measure everything out according to Radiodity's measurements. But this is strange with the female end on the whip.
Alright.
It's kind of backwards.
Yep, I have no explanation for that. Apparently my geography skills aren't great. Are you extending it all the way?
That's what I'm gonna see here now, because on 15 the whip is gonna be 266 centimeters. So I guess it's time to, because we haven't we have another dingus here.
I can't see you anymore, but this is still a 500 running.
Yeah, that's good.
All right.
So we're gonna have the whip. We need to take the whip off, extend it to the length, and then screw it on. Look at the guys with the Delta loop. I think they're gonna have more luck than we. Let's see. I'm just gonna extend this, see how long it is, and pull it back.
That's not much more than 2.5 meters, is it?
Yeah, let's see. Oh, and yeah, that's pretty smart. There's a dingus here that feeds into the hole.
That's what the dingus does.
Yeah.
QSL, thank you so much. Please stand by for next operator.
Thank you very much for the test and your activation. Have a nice weekend.
Yankee Romeo 0, Foxtrot, Yankee Romeo 0 POTA, operated by Yankee Oscar Free Golf November United.
Morning, Dad. You're 5 and 9.
It's one of the strongest ones there, but we're getting you off and on a little bit of QSC this end, but working you lovely, and hope you're enjoying yourself. Back to you.
Yeah, Roger. Well, you're about 5 and 5. 5 and 5 with me, Dad. But yeah, I won't hold it. I'll hand you off to the next operator, 7-3.
Yeah, 73.
Hello.
Tack för 5 så kommer till nästa. Tack så du.
QRX. Lima Alpha 2 USA. Los Angeles 2 United States of America. Espen, du er 5 og 7. 5 og 7, det er Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Unnskyld, Foxtrot Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India, over.
Tack för 5 och 7. 5 och 8 här i Stavanger. Då kommer till nästa.
Newly to knock, stand by for next operator. Okay, let's go over and see how the Canadians are doing. See how 17's working. And they're rocking the Chameleon Delta loop over here. It seems to be working.
QRZ from Foxtrot Stroke Victor Echo 1 Sierra Kilo, QRZ.
Lima Bravo 4 Lima India Portable. Foxtrot / Lima Bravo 4 Lima India Portable. 5 and 9 to France, over.
Yeah, QSL, thank you very much. We appreciate 20/9 all the time, guys, here. And congratulations for this very nice activation, QSL.
QSL, thank you for the 20 over 5-9. Q Parks.
Echo Alpha 2, Charlie Papa Golf. Echo Alpha Charlie Papa Golf.
Echo Alpha 2 Charlie Papa Golf. Go ahead.
Okay, correcto. Good morning, my friend. 5-7 for Northern Spain, Cantabria.
Yeah, 5-7 also from France there, Pedro. Please stand by for the next operator, QRX.
Okay, correcto. Adelante.
Echo Alpha 2 Charlie Papa Golf. This is Foxtrot Stroke Lima Bravo 0 Fox India 57. 5 and 7 there, Pedro, over.
Okay, good morning, my friend. Hello, dear. 5-7, 5-8.
QSL, QSL, and please stand by for next operator. And Lima Alpha Station, please stand by, you're next.
Hello, Pedro. Hola, Pedro. Echo Alpha 2, Charlie Papa Golf, Foxtrot, Oscar Echo 4, Japón Hotel Whiskey, su señal 59, Pedro.
Ok, Oscar Eco 4, Juliet Hotel Whiskey, ok. 59 en este momento, 5859, saludos, gracias.
Saludos, Pedro. 73, amigo. Gracias, un abrazo. Who's the Lima Alpha? The Lima Alpha, go ahead.
Alpha 2, Alpha, Mexico, America.
Lima Alpha 2, Foxtrot, Kilo Alpha. Arndt, nice to hear you. You're 5 and 9. Good morning or good afternoon from France.
Dipole here, but heard the rumor, so
Okay.
Nice to hear you, over.
Yeah, there's another Lima Alpha. Arndt, the other Lima Alpha, stand by a second. I'm talking to Arndt, Lima Alpha 2, Foxtrot, Kilo Alpha. Yeah, there is a little bit of QRM ongoing here. You are in the log and stand by for Morton, 73.
Lima Alpha 2 Foxtrot Kilo Alpha, Lima Alpha 2 Foxtrot Kilo Alpha, det er Foxtrot, Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Kjekt med Eid i loggen, og du er 5-1 her i Frankrike, over.
Ja, takk for 5-1, du er oppe i 5-9 faktisk, altså, du har veldig god signal her, man kjører bare med 80 meter dipol mindre, sånn litt effektivitet her da. Men kos deg i Frankrike, du, og vi høres, hei hei.
Ja, det skal jeg gjøre, og du er faktisk 5-8, 5-9, altså, så er jeg nå på metret, så du er sterk og klar, men vi har en operatør til her, du får han nå.
Ela 2, Foxtrot Kilo Alpha, dette er Foxtrot / Lima Bravo 4 Lima India portabel, over.
Ja, Foxtrot portabel, ja, jeg har snakket med deg.
So guys, what are you doing?
We try to work a very weak Canadian station, yeah.
Oh, you mean the DX over there?
Yep.
Yeah.
Exactly that one.
Yeah. Can you go through the pileup?
Yeah, sure. We'll see. We'll break through the pileup in a second.
From Foxtrot Stroke Victor Echo 1 0 kilowatt,
Foxtrot / Delta Lima 3 Mike Hotel Tango, park to park.
Foxtrot Stroke Delta Lima 3, give me the rest.
Come on guys. Delta Lima 3 Mike Hotel Tango. We are doing a really impressive park to park here. Yeah, surprisingly. Okay, you're also 59, and I give you 5 park references, which I won't list at the moment.
6 parks.
6 parks even, yeah. This is Foxtrot / Delta Lima 3 Mike Hotel Tango.
Foxtrot Stroke 1 Echo Tango, I think this is Foxtrot Stroke Lima Bravo 5 Juliet, you're 5-9, 59.
Oh, sorry Bob. Alright, where am I? Foxtrot Stroke Lima Bravo 5 Juliet, Bob 5-9, 59.
Thank you so much for the contact. Difficult conditions in the park today, but we made it work. Can you pass me to Steve, please?
QSL is Victor Echo 1.
You know, we are taking this really serious here, right?
Proper, I see you do proper operating procedure.
Oh, let's see. Everyone was talking at 1 second. Can you repeat that, please?
Stand by for the next stop, and the next stop is Foxtrot Stroke Victor Echo 1 Echo Tango. Have you at 5-9, 5-9, Bob, QSL?
Victor Echo, so that's Foxtrot Stroke Victor Echo 1 Echo Tango from Lima, Foxtrot Stroke Lima Bravo 5 Juliet. You're also 5-9. Booming signal, very nice into the parks here.
Likewise, Bob, all the best, 73. Talk to you in a bit.
Absolutely. Please stand by for next operator.
Foxtrot / Victor Echo 1.
And just to illustrate the enormous distance of this DX QSO, I'm going to walk the distance of the QSO.
What do you expect?
It's Canada with a Foxtrot prefix though. So we have the German and Norwegian Austrian station here. And I'm going to do this in real time. Just to illustrate the enormous distance of the DX. We're passing the UK 40 meter station here. Jürgen's in front of me. he might actually travel almost as far as the RF. Let's see. The next thing we're coming to is the abandoned 15 meter station. 15 wasn't really a winner band today, but let's go over there and we'll see. Nothing on 15, but we're reaching the Canadian enclave here, or is it an exclave? I'm not sure if it's an enclave or an exclave, but the enormous distance of this QSO from it was a proper DX. I mean, from Norway and Germany to Canada. We have a little piece of Canada right over here. And that's, guys, that's the distance the DX traveled in real time. It took about a minute or so. So, yeah.
Can you do that in real time?
I did it in real time now. So I'm going to show this in real time in the video. Good morning. It is very early on Sunday, August 2nd. And let's hope I remembered my hotel key in my pocket. I did. It's day 5 and it's gone back home day. So I'm on my way up to have breakfast now, meet the others, then pack some cars, figure out who's taking what of my stuff at home, where my stuff is, because I'm flying home with only carry-on. And then back home and back to work. Let's get up to breakfast first.
You had a pleasure of ending or just making us just conclude last year's video.
Yeah.
How do you want to conclude this year's meetup?
Well, this year's meetup, it's been very warm in many ways. A lot of warm hearts, a lot of warm weather, and a lot of warm beds. Luckily, I got to not share my bed with Ole Marius, as we managed to switch rooms to single beds. So that was nice. We done a lot of parks. We did 10 parks yesterday, and only setting up antennas twice. So that was also good. And also, of course, meeting a lot of good people and eating a lot of good food in France.
So both Germany and France?
Both Germany and France, yeah.
And how many kilometers home?
It's around 1,500 kilometers, so we're hoping to be home tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Doing it in one stretch?
Yeah.
Yep.
The only way to drive long distances.
Yeah. But you have a self-driving Chinese car, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. And someone lives in the trunk to make sure that everyone are wearing their seat belts and get them some champagne and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Thank you. 73 and 69.
I'm going to think about you when I'm on my plane.